Let's try unisex clothes. Come on, boys.
Okay, let's break fashion rules.
Let's break fashion. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eduardo, and today I'm here with Camira Asrori, who's a good friend of mine, and she has her own fashion label. Camira, do you want to tell us a bit about your brand?
Okay, so hi guys. Basically, I started my brand as a woman's resort wear brand. I wanted to design clothes that have a lot of prints, that have a lot of colors, you know. But now it has kind of evolved into like a ready to wear, everyday wear kind of resort wear, because we live on a very sunny, you know, island of Singapore. So I want everyone to wear, you know, colors and prints all the time.
Okay, so we want to use Camira's fashion line today to experiment with unisex clothing and gender neutral fashion. What do you think about gender neutral fashion?
Okay, so I've always been a fan because I feel like fashion has definitely changed now. And you know, men can wear women's clothing and women can wear men's clothing, you know. There's like, honestly, there's no rules in fashion. And I've always wanted to do like a series or like a photo set, you know, of like a man wearing Camira Asrori, because I think some pieces are definitely like, you know, friendly for men. It's just that they just have to know how to style it. So I'm excited that we can share that today.
Yeah, and it's actually really interesting. I feel like a lot of girls actually kind of do that already because they use guys' clothes all the time. But there's actually a lot less guys who ever experiment with women's clothing. So it'll be interesting to see today how we can actually use women's clothing and see how it works really well for guys as well.
Yep.
Well, yeah, so here we go. These are our unisex, gender neutral, whatever you want to call it, clothes. And we're both going to try them on so you can see how they work on both a guy and a girl. And yeah, here we go.
Yay! No rain, no flowers.
No rain, no flowers.
Yeah, fan magic.
Yes, let's all try some gender binary fashion. Oh wait, now that it makes sense, let's try unisex clothes.
Maybe like let's break fashion rules.
Let's break fashion rules. Okay, I hope you guys liked that.
Yeah, and I hope you guys learned something new. Like new ideas that inspire you to on how you can style your next look. So, Eduardo, how was the experience? Like wearing women's clothing.
It was actually surprisingly like not weird at all, especially because you can make it fit in a way that just looks fashionable. It doesn't necessarily like have to scream like, oh, this is like feminine and this is like girl.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
I mean, if you like that, that's great too. But, I think it just makes for a cool and interesting look.
Yeah, I think like with fashion you can always like play around. So if something is really feminine, you can always balance it out with like something more masculine.
Like there was one of the shirts that had this like really like
crazy
sleeves. Sleeves. So we just like rolled it up. Or like some of the kimonos could be wore as like dresses, so we just like wear it as a kimono instead, and even the t-shirt, like it's the t-shirt.
Yeah, I know. Even like I was so surprised because like honestly, I've never had like a man wearing the t-shirt. So when you wore it and it's pink, that shade of pink looks so good on you. So I'm just like, damn.
Yeah, I feel like all t-shirts should just be like for both genders from now on.
Yeah, right.
Like, why not?
Yeah, and I think men should wear more pink. It's such a nice color. Honestly, it's such a nice color.
I agree.
Yeah.
You ever wear guys' clothes?
Oh yes, all the time. Actually, like I especially printed shirts.
Oh.
Yeah.
I know this is one of our last days of freedom before we go in like a kind of lockdown here in Singapore.
Yeah, because we are filming this on like the day that the semi-lockdown was announced.
What's it like to be in a fashion brand during this coronavirus time?
Okay, so obviously it has been slower because one thing for sure, like there's no reason for people to be shopping because like they can't go out, right? For me personally, like I don't shop anymore because like if I want to buy something, like when's the next time
you got a picture when you're gonna wear it?
Yeah,
I'm gonna stay home.
Yeah, exactly. Like, and we're not even talking about days. We're talking about weeks or months here.
It's our last glass of wine, probably for a month or so.
I know. Enjoy every sip.
Where's the bottle? Okay, thanks for tuning in, guys.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe.
Subscribe, like the video, and share.
Check out CamiraAsrori.com.
Yeah, www.camirasrori.com. The link is over here.
Bye.